Monkey? What's the lion say? What's the pig say? What's the pig say? Alright, we'll try another one. What's the doggy say? Can you say, uh-oh? Can you say, love you? Look at Daddy. Tosh. Can you say, love you? Come on. Can you say, love you? Love you. Can you say, love you? Love you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say, dada? Can you say, daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say, baby?
Baby. Baby.
Love you. Love you. Where's Murphy? Can you say Murphy?
Daddy.
Go pet Murphy. What's Murphy's name? Can you say Yayi? How about baby? Baby. Can you say baby? Okay, say bye-bye. Oh, is that cake? You want to eat it? Can you have a bite of cake? You gonna eat it? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you blow me a kiss? Blow me a kiss.